Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Neupril Kids Pure Methylfolate Drops. Now you might be wondering, what is Neupril Kids here? Well, Neupril Kids is a liquid children's vitamin containing L-methylfolate, the active form of folate, plus methylcobalamin, an active form of vitamin B12. Now, if you want to learn more about the actual ingredients here, they do list that in their website here. Now, the thing with this one, it's marketed for children around ages 1 to 18 and comes as a berry flavored liquid. The formula is vegan, non-GMO, and free from gluten, dairy, soy, nuts, and artificial dyes, and synthetic sweeteners. Now, what does it actually do, or what does it actually offer you? Now, according to Nephro here, the combination of methylfolate and B12 is intended to support brain development, focus, mood, energy, learning, and healthy methylation. Now, the company also promotes it for children with MTHFR gene variants and mentions support for speech communication, but these are manufacturer claims. Now, the thing with this one is the company says the product is third party tested for things such as heavy metals and microbial contaminants and is manufactured in FDA registered GMP certified facilities. Now, you might be wondering, how do you exactly use these droppers, or how do you use this dropper here? According to the directions for the bottle itself, well, you first need to shake the bottle well before use. Now, the website gives different doses by age here. So, basically, around ages 1 to 3, 2 drops or 0.1 ml daily. Ages 4 to 13, 4 drops or 0.2 ml daily. And teens, around 6 drops or 0.3 ml daily. Now, the drops can be placed under the tongue or mixed into a smoothie or a drink or water here. So, if you're interested with this product here and you want to try it for your children, and because this supplement is intended for children, it's a good idea to check with a pediatrician or other qualified healthcare professional before giving it to a child, particularly if the child takes medication or has a medical condition here, just to be on the safer side. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.